Welcome to today's episode of the Trading Bot Review. In today's episode, we will be using the MACD, the RSI, the stochastic indicator, and the close price indicator. We will be trading on the Bitcoin asset using Expert Option app for 1 minute. The trading robots will compute the next probable price move using the current, historical, and recent price movements. It will make a prediction if prices will go up or go down in the next few minutes. Let us start. We have three indicators indicating that prices will go down: the close price indicator, the stochastic indicator, and the RSI indicator. Meanwhile, the MACD indicator is indicating that prices will go up. So we follow the majority. We press the sell button and we wait to see if the prediction of the majority will be correct or wrong. We will test this for about 5 times to see the accuracy of these trading robots. Initially, trading binary options can be considered gambling as you have a 50% chance of winning and 50% chance of losing. However, if you are able to read the recent price movements correctly, you might be able to predict with accuracy the upcoming movements because the market, while volatile, is predictable. These trading robots are computerized and programmed to make instantaneous predictions basis the recent data, the recent 1 minute or 2 minute data that are fed into it. So for our first trade, we have a little less than 24 seconds left before the trade deal expires. So far, it is looking good. So far, we are winning. But we cannot discount the last second price movements which may affect the result of the deal. Here, it is fluctuating. Prices are fluctuating up and fluctuating down. There, looks like we won. We won this first deal. So, had it been real money, we would have made 80 centavos out of that. For round number 2, all the indicators indicate a strong downward movement. So we click the sell button. Again, these indicators are computing probable next price movement basis the current historical price movements for the past few candles. So it may be the past 5 candles, the past 14 candles, or the past 20 candles, depending on the program set upon the indicators. The indicators are purely technical computation, so it does not take into account any market news or economic news that may affect sudden fluctuation of prices. It is a mathematical quantitative analysis basis the past recent price movements. There is no qualitative analysis whatsoever. So, when prices move up or prices move down, these are caused by speculation, by fear, by hopes. So far, it is not looking good. So far, prices have gone up since the point in time that we made the sell order. Let us wait for the result in the upcoming 10 seconds. Okay? So we lost that deal. Had that been real money, you would have lost that money already. For the third round, all 4 robots are indicating a very strong buy prediction. So we click the buy button on our demonstration application. You will think that a landslide prediction would equate to a landslide victory. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it does not happen. In this case, so far it is not looking good. So far, prices have fallen below from the point in time which we made a buy prediction. There are a lot of indicators for sale out there in the market. There are a lot of trading robots also for sale out there in the market, ranging from subscriptions of $20 a month to as high as $100 a month. You would subscribe to these if you knew that they were 100% accurate or at least 80 or 90% accurate. But what if it's only a 50% accuracy or much worse, 20% or 30%? You would not really know if it was the fault of the indicator, of the trading robot, or just purely circumstantial market situation. And that is why we make these tests to see if it is worth it to spend a large amount of money to buy indicators or robots. Would it equate to profits or losses? And we lost the third round. Although it was a landslide buy position, it was a landslide loss. So for round 4, all 4 robot indicators are indicating a strong sell position. So we click the sell button. Once again, let us see if this will translate into a landslide win or a loss. Hey, so far it is looking good. Prices spiked down all of a sudden. However, there is still 1 minute and 30 seconds to go before the deal expires. And that is an eternity in trading. A lot of things can happen in that period of time. We have 30 seconds to go before the deal time expires, and so far it looks good. Oops, that was a heart-stopping spike, and prices went down again after that spike up. So this trading thing is not for the faint of heart. You need nerves of steel to weather it out through these fluctuations. 2 seconds, 1 second, and we won that deal by a landslide. If that was real money, you would have made another 80 centavos. For the fifth round, 3 of the indicators are indicating down. So we follow the majority. We click the sell button. The close price, the stochastic, and the RSI are indicating a downward movement. However, the MACD is indicating an upward price movement. Let us wait and see which indicator will prevail in this round. So far, prices are moving down. Oh no. Oh yes. If you are trading real money, this will surely give you an adrenaline rush. Your blood will start pumping. We have less than a minute to go. Oh no! Prices are break even and looks like it's about to shoot upward. You are still winning by the skin of your teeth, but oh no! You are now losing. You are now winning. 17 seconds, and so far it's looking good, but it's dangerously fluctuating up and down. 10 seconds. So far we're winning, but one dangerous spike up will cost you the win. Oh no! And we lost that. It was a last second spike up. Losses like that are what causes emotional stress and disturbance, and what commits people to do foolish things. For our next round, all the four robot indicators are indicating a strong upward price movement. So we click the buy button. Let us wait and see what will happen. So far, in the last 5 trades, we have won 2 times and lost 2 times. This goes the same for all of the 4 robots, each having 2 wins apiece and 3 losses apiece. Let us wait and see the results of this 6th round. As you can see, the prices initially went down before spiking up. So, the feeling of desperation that you are losing and the feeling of hope that you are winning. So, entering the last 50 seconds, so far it is looking good. So far we are winning the trade. But again, 40 seconds is an eternity in trading. A lot of things can happen which can turn the situation around. So imagine if you placed a bet for $1,000. So far I am winning $800. And then in the next split second, oh no, I lost the entire $1,000. So the stress and all the heart-stopping actions. We are down to our last 10 seconds. So far it is looking good. Oh no, not another last second. Wow, that was a heart-stopping win. Did you see that? You won that by the skin of your teeth. We will make one last trade, round 7. So, for this round, 2 of the indicators are indicating a downward movement, the RSI and stochastic. 2 of the other indicators are indicating an upward movement, close price and MACD. We opted to follow the RSI and stochastic. So, let us wait and see who will prevail. So far, the scoreboard reads 3 wins apiece and 3 losses apiece. So that is a 50% win rate and 50% loss rate. So this last round will be a tiebreaker. One will be higher than 50% and one will be lower than 50%. Entering the last 50 seconds of the trade, so far we are losing with the choice that we made because prices have gone up from the point in time that we placed the sell order. So far the MACD and the close price seem to be winning this experiment, this test. And the RSI and stochastic seem to be losing at this point in time. But then again, there is still 20 seconds to go. And that is an eternity in trading time. 10 seconds to go. It's going to be make or break. It's going to be win or lose. 3, 2, 1. And we lost the deal. We will now tally up the win-loss record for each of the robot and for our performance. For our performance, we had 3 wins and 4 losses. The MACD provided 4 wins and 3 losses. The RSI provided 3 wins and 4 losses. The stochastic provided 3 wins and 4 losses. And the close price indicator provided 4 wins and 3 losses. Thank you for watching and good luck in your trading.